there because I have like a big project due tomorrow, and this is like a little assignment that I have to do for the project. This is the first time I've been here. The first impression is very naturey feel.
It's serene.
Sorry?
It's really serene.
And like you can hear the cars behind, but I feel like if you go deeper you won't be able to anymore.
Urban versus
Exactly.
nature.
We walked all the way there because we thought that
Yeah.
the quarry was there. But then we saw it from a distance.
I think a lot of people kill themselves here.
Really? So we're here in the quarry. There's another place like this called Xiao Guilin, and I confused it with that. But these old men, they helped us find this place and told her that she's pretty. That's all you remember.
That's all I remember. That's all I got from it.
This nature park. The one is called Guilin. Xiao Guilin.
Oh, that's what I'm looking for.
You are looking for Xiao Guilin, yeah?
Is that different?
Yes, another way. Not here. You look for and Bukit Batok still got one.
Oh,
That's Guilin, yeah.
yeah.
You come from where? You come
我
from where?
是韩国人。
Yeah, you work from Hong 大家
谢谢。
谢谢。Yeah, I think it was like this before, so like they wanted to keep it like this, so they just built this around and conserved it. And this place echoes, yeah, as you can hear from before. Oh, a man was gonna run by here, but he just turned the other way. No, because you have a backpack on. Here in Singapore, we usually take Grabs. Look at the forest in the background, it's so pretty. The sit down areas here.